What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend BTC. Currently sitting at 28.5K, up 0.7 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 550 billion. 24-hour volume, 15.58 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, grab up to 8K in bonuses or buy it up to 30K in bonuses. Do most of my trading here on Bitget. Email me or sign up email. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And if you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, you will receive a 30-day free trial of early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news. You can see my HODL alt plays completely for free. Sign up to one of the exchanges and make your first deposit and receive those extra bonuses. So we're going to hop into BTC. So our wave count is playing out. We broke out of this descending broadening wedge in the wave C. So it looks like we pushed up in a wave 1 and we're now pulling back in the wave 2. So if we take a fib retracement from the bottom of the wave 1 to the top, you'd be looking for a retracement in between the 0.5 to 0.786. A normal retracement for a wave 2 with a minimum target of the 0.382. So your target zone for this pullback would be in between 28.6 and 27.6K. If we break 27.6, then it's unlikely that it's a wave 2 pullback and you could see a deeper retracement. The minimum target is 28.2K. Taking a look at the daily time frame, the money flow has been coming down quite strongly as we're consolidating. But if we can make it all the way down to the bottom without seeing a severe drop, that's when you may see money start to flow back in. But I am watching that. There is also a small divergence on the RSI. So just watch that closely in my opinion. We just need to see this range break. 20 EMAs caught back up to the candles. So eventually this range will break and we'll have more confirmation of the direction we're going. I have a little bit more bias towards upside continuation, just looking at the wave count. But we'll have to see how it plays out. The Dow Jones, as you can see, we broke all the way back up into this descending triangle. We're currently retesting it. We are overbought on the hourly time frame. So we could see a little bit of pullback possibly to the 4-hour EMAs, which are just printing the bullish cross. But as you can see here, we're just holding that neckline. So if we do see continuation, then we can come back up and retest these highs at 34.2K and then all the way up at this resistance at about 34.7, which would, of course, would be positive for the price of BTC. So this is your retracement zone to watch for a bounce. As I mentioned, minimum target is 28.2. As long as we bounce from this zone, we're good to go for continuation. Our larger wave 3 target is 31.9. And as I mentioned, if we were to break 27.6, it would become unlikely that this is a wave 2 pullback, and potentially we could see a larger correction. But as of right now, we can focus on the bullish wave count. So make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges. As I mentioned, if you make your first deposit, you get a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis, which is coming in at $10 per month, but you will receive a 30-day free trial if you make your first deposit. All chat rooms are free. All you have to do is sign up to one of the exchanges. Over 2,000 members posting trade signals, chart patterns, all types of goodies, completely for free. Check out all links in the comment section. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.